Hi guys, recently I had a shoot where we used 14 FX6 cameras and we had to make sure that every camera is having same settings. So in this kind of situations, many times people what they do is they tell every operator like these are the settings and make sure that your cameras are having these settings, which is not the pro way to do it. So basically, if you want to copy the settings from one camera to all the cameras, there is a way in Sony FX6 which I will show you shortly. Basically, just prepare one camera with all the settings which you want. Make sure whatever you want is on there, and then put a card in, and then those settings you can put on that card. You can insert that card in the other cameras and you can just load it. So let's just jump into it and I will show you how you can do that. So for that, first of all, I need a card and I should put that in B slot, not A slot. That is very important. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my card on and then I will format my card. So I'll put it in the B slot and close it. And now I will go to the full menus by pressing this menu button, long press. So long press it. And then once the menus are open, I will first of all go and format my card. So I will go and I will go to format media, go to media B because it should be in media B. I will full format and execute it. Okay, now I'm done with formatting. I will go back just to show you guys. I'll do some settings. So I will go to my project settings. I will set my resolution and everything. I'll go back. Let's suppose I'm done with all the settings which I want. I'll go back. I'll go to user now. And in here, I'll scroll down till I see all file. Here, I will go on save to media B. And then I can choose whatever number I want. I can save till 64 files. So I'll save it on number 1. And then I will say execute. And I'll say okay. Now if I have to load it, I will do the same thing. I will go to long press to menu to go to full menus, and I will go in user. I will go to all file, and then I will say load from media B, and then you can see the number 1. This is what we saved. So if I will execute it, it will load all the settings of the other camera. Now make sure that whenever you copy settings from one camera to other camera, you should change the camera index letter. Otherwise, all the cameras will be having the same index letter like camera A, camera A, camera A. So that is what you need to change. Otherwise, everything is cool to be on. And I hope you learned something in this video. I have done many other videos about Sony FX6. If you wanna see them, they will be popping here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.